Mm-mm. All right, I was seeing if we were gonna close below support, but it doesn't look like we are. So,
What up?
yeah, what up? Just trying to see what's going. We got candle that closed back above support, really closed back into the range right here. Huh. I ain't really trying to play this range game quite yet, but we'll see what happens. We got a 30-minute candle that's open, no bottom wick, but this candle did close below this support right here. But it respected right here. So if it flips, it should come on up into here. But like I said, it's early in the day. I'm just chilling, letting price do what it do for now. I'd rather a break out, sorry, to the upside or downside before jumping the gun. We got hella ranges because price just flying. So let's just see what we got going on. Yeah, there you go. The flip after coming down, making a bottom wick. So we'll see if it goes up or if it just continues down. I'm annoyed because my Project X account is paused because they haven't processed my withdrawal yet from yesterday. So I got to go to Lucid today. It's no big deal,
Uh,
but and I got to download the new Tradecopia update as well. So if we ain't getting a trade no time soon, then I might just be doing some little extra stuff. Live streams, upload thumbnail. Most of the time, Project X is pretty good about same day um, processing on the withdrawal. But
I was just about to say that.
yeah, but last night they just ain't approved it yet. Oh yeah, see that's good. I got that 5 minute flipping up. It's all good though. As long as I can trade my bigger accounts. Like that's a live account, so I get that money that day, which would be nice if we do take something, but we'll see. All right, there you go. So it's starting to flip up as anticipated, filling up into here. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. New me, new ma. Oh man. Bro, he's so funny. I don't even really be on my lucid trading accounts. Like I don't really be seeing them like that. I just copy them. James, like, all right, we gonna see. Yeah, I mean, it's on you, bro. You've been missing a lot of good talks this last couple weeks. You just gotta look in the mirror. That's all it's gonna come down to. Just gotta look in the mirror and decide if you done. Ain't nothing like looking in that mirror, bro. Antonio, you looked in the mirror?
For sure.
25. Oh. Yeah, running from it definitely won't save you. I wonder what my win rate would be if I took everything that I like thought was about to happen. Probably high, but I don't. But there's no point though. I'd rather just go heavy on a position I love. But like I said, I knew exactly when this made a down wick first. That when it tapped right into this support right here after creating another support, that it should come on up and fill into here, and it did just that, breaking this 5 minute high right there. But that's like super scalping though. That wasn't bad though, because you could have used like this low. Yeah, like 22 pips. Let me see if I can get my trade copier back right. They stay making damn updates with this trade copier. gonna see though? He run anyway. Yes. Next. Install. We got Brightman staring down the barrel of a payout, bro. We gonna see.
We definitely gonna see.
We gonna see. You got it. You got it. I'll put this over here. Nah, bro. It ain't a.
Yeah, I ain't gonna. I'm gonna try not to overthink it. I'm gonna just do what I've been doing before.
It's hard not to. It's hard not to, for real. That's just being a human.
Right.
But you're right there though. And like I always say, you know that you know it's coming. And that's the hardest part. That you know it's coming. That's the part that be so ass. You like, bruh, I want this shit right now. That's what almost fucked me up a couple weeks ago. Bro, I was like $300 away on all my accounts. I took one small loss, try to get that small loss back. Nigga, I went to sleep, man. That's the last day I traded. That's the last day I looked at Asian session. I said, oh, okay. I see what's going on. You tell me, you show me one time, bro. Show me one time. That's all I need.
Facts.
Bro, it ain't nothing like getting close to that payout and then fucking that
Look at
back
DJ. Talk about
up.
some take and eat, huh?
Bruh, fucking that back
Yeah,
up.
they said DJ, you still on that same shit?
I ain't paying no mind to DJ until he showed me. Bro, I told you though. You said that's my last time. I said, bro, no, it's not. It's not. But it can't be now though. I believe you now.
Yeah, I just had to sit the fuck down.
That's all. So you did a bid. Bruh. That shit was funny. That shit was funny. But you good now though. You back in the set. Go ahead and pop a freestyle, bro. Like the old days. Copy trade connection. Add connection. Rate of 8. Boom. There we go. My fault. Now we good. Go ahead and pop a freestyle. My fault, YouTube. I'm over here sitting in silence with all that. These candles so nasty up here. Nothing going on. Get my trade copy back. There you go. Copy trade. All right, we good. Roger, you had the crib or you at work?
And I try to look at Project X on my phone. I said, ain't gonna happen.
No chance. They be doing it. I don't like it. I may have looked at it one time, and that's a maybe. They be doing it too, bro. I can't even see that shit. It's so small. There we go. Oh, I'm going to clear this out. No copy trader. And I'm going to trade from my... Well, I'll do it today since... So, disable that. Usually when I have my top one futures account running, my Lucid trading account running, and my Tradeify accounts running, I got to use a trade copier to trade them all at once to not be doing too much. But today, since my Project X accounts through Top One Futures is still paused until my payouts approved, I'm gonna just trade two separate accounts, like on each screen. Number one, my lead account, make all these follow. Like I said, I hate when they be doing that because most of the time they good about it, but sometimes they be slow. And it's nice to get every 24-hour payouts every day, but I'd rather just wait until the weekend if I knew I was gonna miss a day. We'll see how I'm feeling today. Yesterday I threw a 6 on this account for a
Breaking
cool
the bank,
little
right?
like 1,200. But like I said, I like the psychology of not seeing it. I don't gotta see how much I'm up or down on a 6. When I'm just trading what I'm trading over here, I'm just doing what I do. But it's all good, bro. So let's see. Not active right now. Connections. Yeah, not enabled. Oh, and then I got to trade my multiplier or change my multiplier. So edit, copy, trade, edit. So it's not enabled right now because I'm trading my each account just manually. I swear they do updates every damn day. You gotta go delete it off your computer, then you gotta go re-download it, then you gotta re-add everything. It's 5 minutes, creeping on up. I'd have been sitting in this. 25 came back down to 7, now 30. We'll see. Damn, Project X is lame for that, or top one is lame for that. You already got your refund, Jamal?
Yes, sir. Processing. Well, I haven't checked this morning, but it was processing yesterday on my bank account.
Good business for that.
Yeah. I got no arguments with them, man.
They definitely good business for that.
Mm-hmm.
Because some props could easily be like, it is what it is, but they like, I ain't trying to.
Yeah, I was ready to bite the bullet, but it was like, if I don't reach an account, then what?
Exactly. Right. Exactly. Because I mean, it's fine to have them on ice just in case, you know, anything happens, or a streak comes. But like I said, I think they would rather keep their good name than be stressing making that little money from somebody. Running will not save you is DJ's new name. Or is it? Nah. Somebody put running will not save you. Yeah, all right, we're gonna see. Hey, I'm gonna get this enough. About to cash out. I've been gone. Take an 8. You've been gone. I can't hear music. Gotta catch it up. Yeah. While you been running, we've been working. Legendary week. Gotta recreate it. No cap. Gotta recreate that week. What's going on, YouTube? Y'all can go ahead and throw a like and subscribe. I definitely appreciate it. Hey, we just breaking and breaking. Let's see if we can keep on breaking. Obviously, I didn't have to do much of a breakdown because we just pushing up. This is the daily time frame. We just going up and up and up and up. Whoever just hold and go right now is having a great payday.
Oh yeah.
Sure. Man, this is crazy what happened overnight. Got a candle to close above, no bottom wick. Just last 300 bits. Just don't got no target, so you can go stop loss to break even, just let it run, see where you wake up at.
So with the live accounts, there's no I guess you say you don't have to worry about the consistency?
Nope, not at all. And you can withdraw every day.
Okay.
Every day. So, like I said, I've been taking my little base hits: 690, 327, 218, 583, 304, 256. But that 256 is still showing as submitted right now, and they usually approve it that same day. But it's all good though. It is what it is. I'm sure I'll get my little email saying your payout has been approved at 12 o'clock p.m. today after the session. But in all reality, these are the more important accounts to make sure I'm maxing on because these are going to be the bigger payouts. Like if I hit for 250, for example, even on a live account, you only get 80% of that because it's going on the back end towards what they give you a bonus is what they call it. So on that account, I made like I want to say like 2,000 from a $9,000 account. Over the last month, I made 2,378 for 35 days, 2,378. But I take a payout every single time I am in profit. So I messaged him yesterday. I said, when y'all gonna let me trade a real live account? Because all I can trade is ones on it, which ain't no big deal. Gotta see what I'm feeling today, Tony. You think a 5 or a 6?
It depends on the profit target of these accounts.
9,000. I'm at 48.11.
Well, on a five, that's like what? That's probably a good week. Just a good week.
Just in one trade?
No.
Oh, good week of trading.
Yeah.
Because I was thinking about it, and I hate to get in this mode because like the market don't care what you need, but I'm at 48.11 and I need to get to 9,000. So we'll just call that 5,500. Or sorry, 5,000. My bad. 5,000. We'll call it 5,000. If I need to get $3,000 in the next 3 days or $3,200 in the next 3-4 days, that's very doable.
No, it's possible for sure.
You know what I'm saying? Because I'm about to go on vacation.
Get that this week.
Yeah. That's why I'm like, that shit definitely felt good yesterday for smacking for that. But it was like 1,200 on each account or something like that. Let's see. It was on Lucid trading. It was on Lucid. So on these accounts, I made 1,232 on this account, 1,172, 1,172, and then 1112, whatever. Yeah, 1112. So, those are way different than that 800, 700. But same way you make it, same way you can lose it. I always say that. But I was looking at negative 11 pips max before it started going, and I was thinking, like in the back of my mind, like an intrusive thought, I was like, damn, that's negative 660 on those accounts. Bruh. That's why I don't even want to look at that shit. Let me look at my normal little drawdown, because I was doing a ×2 multiplier. So a ×2 multiplier on a 3 obviously is a 6. But in a perfect world, I would trade a 5. Because a 5, I just like the round number of a 5. You hit for 30, it's 1,500. You lose 15, it's only 750. 600, that minus 1,000 can come quick in a hurry, bro. That's only minus 18 pips. 17, 18. Times 10 accounts.
Hey, James.
Yes, sir.
You ever use that risk management thing in Tradecopia?
I did one time and it actually messed me up. Well, I ain't gonna say messed me up. I can't say that. So, risk management. I accidentally, you can call it accidentally, put $100,000 account that I only make $600 just to try to keep my consistency correct. And for some reason, the first trade I took, it didn't work. But then the next trade I took, it worked. So I made $1,000 when I didn't want to make $1,000. So now my consistency all messed up. And then it worked on the next one and it stopped me at 600. I was like, damn. So it works. For in short, it does work. Like if you say you have a 150K account, you have a 100K account, and you have a 50K account. If you trade the same lot size on all three, and you want to say stop yourself at the consistency max on the 100K account, you can say I don't want to make no more than $600, and it'll stop you at that number. So it actually does work.
Yeah, I got that. I'm trying it out today. I made too much on my Tradeify account.
Man, it's the worst because now at this point, I gotta make. Yeah, see, my profit required will be 3,000, but I'm at 29.51, boy, my best day has been 1,014. So I got to make that times
You
5,
yeah.
which would be 5,055 or something like that, which is fine. It's not no big deal because I trade the same lot size. But
Right.
I would basically be at another payout today if I would have just stopped myself like I should have, or like the copier should have. It's all just beta testing at this point, really.
Okay.
That's why I don't really trip about it too much. That's why I don't really
Try
trip
it
about
out.
it too.
Try it out. See how it turns out for me today.
Yeah, I mean, the worst that can happen is you make a lot and you just got to keep trading the same, risk that you've been trading.
Yeah.
That's why I don't really be tripping about it. I'm like, while it sucks and while I could have been up or in another payout today, it's actually protecting my buffer and my downside, because while Tradeify, it is great in a sense of your second profit target is fairly low in relevance to the account. After you make that second profit target, your balance is getting a little lower. Not to say that we worried about losing $5,000, but it's just like, it is what it is. Because the lower your account is, the less buffer you have to take to use after taking out the second payout with them. So for example, if I did it just by the book, I would have made 106, taken out or 2,500, then made 3, and then taking out 2,500. Then my buffer would only be $3,000. Like I said, I'm not really worried about losing $3,000, but once I make the payout on this one, then my shit gonna be at like 108 or 109. Like I ain't worried about that at all.
Gotcha.
That's why I like the bigger account, just for the buffer. Like Roger, for example, can speak to it. On his 50K account through Top One, he withdrew 2,500 from the $3,000 profit target. And at that point, you only got $500 to work with. You a couple bad trades away.
Mm-hmm.
Or if you're gonna trade ones and cut risk real fast. So all that to say, yeah, it works. But I don't, at this point, I don't even need it. I've been messaging their support on the side. They said that pretty soon you're gonna be able to do like 1.75 risk. And you're gonna be able to make Project X accounts a leader account. So that'll be nice. Right now, you can't even make Project X accounts a leader. You gotta use Tradeabate accounts. Leader account, follower account, ×2 on all the Lucid trading accounts. But I like trade copiers a lot. I used them back in the day. Who was that with? Forget. But that's when I started maxing, boy. But then these programs started utilizing them inside of their own platform, so it made it even easier. Who was that with? Bro, that's when I started going dumb on maxing accounts. Bro, I had, before who was that? The funded trader went down. I had 650K of funding like 2.5 years ago. That shit was so smooth. And then rug pull went down. It's nothing like when these props be going down, y'all. That shit ass. I don't think many futures props have felt that just yet. But Forex back in the day, oh my God. Them boys were out of there. Funded trader. Well, I blocked them. I blocked them like they was a hoe. Said, man, get out of my face. Then they try to use this program called DX Trade. Nasty. It was glitching and it was terrible. Slipping you like a motherfucker. Let's see, we got 1 minute before this closure. We got a 1 hour candle on the doji candle again. So you got a doji candle, then you got a doji candle closing right at a resistance. In the words of my good brother Roger, looking like a 9:15, 9:30. So Antonio, whatever you got to do, have fun. Because this 4 hour is open and it's flipping back up. Daily is obviously what a daily is, but and the 30 minutes about to close above this wick. 15 minute, ain't nothing really going on. We just in a range. Y'all know what it is. Jermaine Dupree voice.
DJ still in here?
I don't know. Did you quit? That boy said he'll be back September 29th. What's so special? He gonna be back September 29th. I'm gonna be gone on the way to Turks. Turks and Caicos. Let's see. Well, but this should. I mean, the price action shows it still should just like keep continuing up. But I'll catch my move when my move presents itself. With my heart racing.
Man.
There we go. Rejecting out that resistance again. Tonio, what you got up for today, man? If you still here. No, you be leaving. I'll last a minute. Jamal, what you got going today? I know y'all don't like to leave.
Hey, make sure you get you some elite content when you in Turks. You gotta over exaggerate the truth a little bit. Like you could really like you gotta get content of you trading to where it look like you're out there because of trading. Like you gotta.
But it's real though.
For real. I'm dead ass serious.
But it's real though, for sure. Cause that's what this skill, bruh. That's what this skill allows. Like this shit just all play money. This ain't even my real like life fun.
Right.
It's just some extra shit. But I agree. We went there last year too. That shit so beautiful.
You gotta be like this is what this can get you. Like you gotta
yes, sir.
You gotta just make hella content, bro. That shit gonna pay off for sure.
Yes, sir. That's what it is. It take money to make money.
Right.
Man, let's see what we got going though. Let's see what we got. We real close. 70 pips away. It feels close. Damn, this shit just flipping up and down, up and down, up and down. Roger, you gonna see in Brightman, y'all, you gonna see too when y'all make it to the payout. They top one for some reason changed their platform for payout, so now it's called Plain. I don't know why it's called Plain, but it's called Plain. So that's how this shit look now. So history. They already paid me my 174.40, and I got these 3 coming on the way. Processing pending. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So it'll give you the setup instructions after you hit the profit target. It was real simple. All right, what we looking like? Let's see if we got it. 50 pips away. I sure will say, all right, y'all know what the deal is. We still 50 pips away. Just be quick to cut it if it start pulling against you. Yeah, I expected this for sure. Just with the way like the candles are printed. 30-minute close like that above everything. The 15-minute candle close above pretty much everything. You got a resistance right here that is pretty much rejecting out of. Anyone that's new, I guess I didn't really go through a breakdown because there isn't really too much to break down, like support, resistance, waiting for a breakout one way or the other. That's really all it comes down to. You don't really got no targets up. You don't really got no targets down. Just kind of, you just trying to take advantage of these clean candles to the left. That's what I'll be talking about when we want to trade clean candles to the left. That's when we actually have targets. Above all-time highs, there are no targets. So I see that price moves pretty much in 50 pip increments. So you'll see like that for some reason, it'll just like stop up around like 50 pip, 40, 50 pip increments. But I know that if all I'm going for is, 25, 30, then I expect to be able to get that in a 50 pip range on a break of all-time highs. But we'll see if this wants to start making its way up or come on down, because the 1 hour candle is still open and it closed bullish, but it closed rejecting this and then closed rejecting this. So we just kind of in no man's land right in. Ain't nothing really going on besides just bouncing back and forth. So we'll definitely see. But I'll be back in like a few minutes. Let's see. I'm expecting we'll see something at 9:15 if we don't get in before that. But I'll have my phone on me. So, like I said, I'll be back. almost like I didn't miss nothing. We do have news at 9:45, I believe. That's yes, sir. 9:45. It's red folder news. So price could just be chilling till then, but if news want to blast off at 9:45, have my little bounce up on the break of the dailies and see what it do. Ooh, I realized that this is auto preset for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I want to create a 6. I gotta go over here. I'm gonna preset it. 34, 24.6. Whenever I do it. We'll see if we get there though. No. Price is literally print side by side. It had one decent little push up out of support down there after the 15-minute candle closed back in the range. So this candle is support. This candle closed like added. This candle closed respecting it once again. This candle wicked down without a top lid. Rebroke its own high, started pushing up into here. And then it kept pushing up though. Not a bad move. Pushing. close. $40 pips away from the daily highs. That shit is more of a gamble than anything. I ain't gonna lie. Them breaking daily highs and lows, You just relying on volume to do what it do. Boy told me I'm gonna need to exercise some patience. I said, can my account be unpaused? He said, you will need to exercise some patience until it is approved. Whatever. I'm trying to make some money, man. Y'all stopping my flow. But it's all good. It's all good. As long as these accounts are rolling, I'm straight. Because that's the big money. A little 150, 200, I ain't sure it's too up and down, up and down. Doing may get some sell. 930 close below here. Time of volume break these lows. I'm open to either idea. I would like to stay with the trend, but trying to get out of these highs. We'll see. Just hit this support right here. Oh. Roger, what time you went in today? It must have been early, because you usually be able to talk in your whip. I got you. It's all good, brother. Make it through today. Whoa, he's on. Other than bouncing back and forth. Likely nothing happens until 9:30. At best. I will be back around 9:27 or 9:28. All right, I'm back. This is the day, yeah. Range game. No cap. It's funny. I was just talking to my wife. We were talking about around this time how we went on vacation 6 years ago. I was doing the same shit. Crazy. October 13th, 2019 on Forex on my phone in the pool on vacation. Man, what a throwback. What a throwback. 929, let's see. It's so crazy how people be taking so many different trades in a day. Like, I don't see how you even, like, what the hell are you trying to trade? Literally, like, it's nothing to do.
NTD today too?
No, sir. I'm forcing something today. If it's my last, don't worry. We're going to stay on till noon. I'm going to go to your crib and make you take something. Because how much more time you got?
Oh, you know me. 45 minutes.
Surely something's gonna come between 9:30 news and a 10 o'clock closure, right? Surely.
Maybe. I can't tell right now.
That's what I say I don't see how people just be taking so many trades, bro. I don't really know what we got going on. Oh man, that's funny. I needed that laugh.
No, seriously. I mean, we got 9 candles in the same range. 9 30-minute candles.
Man, what? Like I said, the best you could have did was something like in here, I guess, if you wanted to. I guess. But like I said, this candle was bullish, closing back above, but this 30-minute candle closed below. So at any point, that could have just been a top wick to come down. The 1 hour candle was bearish at that point, broken that low. I ain't trying to force it. Now I'm not surprised this coming down because this candle technically closed back below right there. It closed under. Like,
if we can get a closure under that resistance or that support, that would be perfect.
Exactly. But it's 9:45 gonna throw all that off. Because at this point, we this close to 9:45 news, we might as well just wait. The daily high is all the way up here.
It's news at 9:45?
It's news at 9:45. It's red folder news at 9:45. Flash services PMI. I don't really be knowing what these mean, but I know that it's red folder news. And then the federal chair is speaking, likely about interest rates, I'm assuming. Economic outlook at the Greater Providence Chamber. Yeah. So it's probably gonna be volume all day today if you want to stay until about noon. Maybe 1. That shit just sound funny to say talking to you. Not gonna happen.
Yeah, definitely not.
I was talking to somebody in my office a couple of days ago. They was talking about they trade from 8 to 12 or 8:30 to 12. I was like, what's up? That's what's up. They're better than me. I simply don't have the attention span to even do that. I'll be fucking so much money up at noon.
That's too long, bro.
Bruh, sitting in this desk for that long?
That's a part-time.
That's a job, exactly. You might as well do that as a job. But no cap though, like with the way that I see the market now, I bet I would make a lot. But it's just like at what expense though? Like I would burn out so often.
I mean, yeah.
Say, why you talking about me? Yeah. Not in a bad way. But I would burn out. So me and my trades, because I risk so much. If I were trading smaller, I would guess I could. But at that point, it's like you doing the same thing to get to the same result. But that's why I always tell people, there's so many ways to get to the same result.
Mm-hmm.
So many ways. There's no right or wrong. Like if I would trade not all day, but if I would trade longer, I wouldn't be actively sitting here. I'd probably be having alerts. Like I would look at it every 15 minutes, or I would look at it every 30 minutes, see what's going on, because we waiting on closures anyway. Have alert set on break of daily highs or close to daily highs, close to daily lows. But nah, I ain't sitting here too long. That boy Alvin, you funny, man. As long as you getting paid, that's all that matters. Because it's so funny, trading has become so damn gamified that like it's great to sit here for an hour or two a day and make money, but it also ain't too bad to sit here for 4 hours a day and make money. It's all about how you look at it. I just know me, and I would lose my my trading capital, mental capital over so long. I'd have to take too many breaks. I trade 4 days a week now. Boy, it will be 3. I'm not lying to you, bro. 4 hours?
4 hours is a long time.
That's a long time to do anything. Because what I know I'm not doing, I'm not cold calling for 4 hours. When I'm real estate prospecting, I'm not doing that.
Even though 4 hours probably would fly by, because I feel like this 2 hours flies by.
Oh, that's why I like it though. Because, bro, we already at 9:34. We know we not going to be here no longer than 10, 15, 10, 20, maybe 10:30. So at that case, bro, I started the stream at 8:27. So if I can, like I say, stick to my 1 and 2 hours a day. But that's just what made me profitable. That's a me thing. Like,
yeah,
I know that most traders lose their money due to over risking, over trading. How do you limit over risking, over trading? Limiting your trading time. 1 session, 1 pair, 1 trade. If you take a loss, try to get that shit back or try to cut into that loss. If you take 2 losses, you definitely need to call it a day because it's just about to get real nasty. Over risking and over trading is the only thing that's going to make you not successful in the long run if you have a proven system. I might need to cut that and post that shit. That was real good. But that's the only way you going to blow accounts. People be fucking these accounts up. Like the way you felt, imagine that in like 30 minutes.
Nah,
running to buy another one to blow that one. I don't got time for that. Okay, we starting to make some little turnaround. This broke these lows. Now it's coming up. Alrighty. That's so funny. That's still 50 pips away. Yeah, today is Ugly Roger, and we getting real close to 945. Real close. And what I'm not gonna do is be in no trade at 945 and watch that bitch shoot 75 pips my way, and I done messed up my bruh. That's so funny about props. You don't even want to make too much. You don't want to make too much or too little, or lose too much. I'll be on here hollering like DJ. Oh my! I said, bro. I said, he got in the cell.
He was in the cell.
I said, y'all, I got my cell stopped right here. If it gets me in, it gets me in.
News candle.
Was it even news out there? I don't even know if it was news.
I don't even think it was news.
I don't think it was news. It was a rant, bro. It was like 1 minute before the 15 minutes closed.
And it pushed up.
Try to jump
like
that gun, bro. He was trying to jump the gun for like an extra 5 pips.
Over here
oh bro.
Yo, that's the fastest I ever seen the market move with no news.
Bro, I wish I can go back to that exact day. I think, was it like 80 pips in a minute or something? I said, somebody just made a lot of money, but somebody lost a hell of a lot of money. Bro, we was less than 3, 4, 5 pips from the daily low. I put it on everything. And bro, he jumped the gun for what reason, I don't know. And I over with. But yes, Roger, I see your message. I like that too. Breaking that daily high with 945 volume. Hell, you can really even put it like could like even jump the gun, put it like right here, because if it breaks this, it got no reason not to fill this, and it's gonna go beyond that. But that's why I say it's so funny playing with these damn props. It's like, bro, you got to be strategic of when you get in, because if you see 30 real fast, you got to close it. 30, 40 real fast, you got to close it.
Mm-hmm.
Well, it depends on what lot size you're trading. Like, I'm trading a 6 on these 150K accounts. Like, that's 1,800 if I smack for that. Like, there's no point in me making no more than that. The same as a 3 if I need to get 4,500. You making all this money just to have to make more money in the long term. All right, Roger, don't get scary now. Boy, take a little small loss yesterday, and all of a sudden he trying to go against the grain. Got 5 minutes before this news drops. I hope nothing happens before then. Boy, Alvin, you so funny, bro.
I don't think it will.
What'd you say?
I said I don't think anything is gonna happen, because now is that candle that's printed right now is forming a new resistance. It's the resistance right there where the candle just stopped.
Mm-hmm. I believe. Yeah, we got on a 15-minute, then a 30-minute had a little resistance. Like, it's nasty. We'll see. Like, because sometimes that red folder news don't even be doing nothing.
Yeah, we'll see. Yeah, I just don't want to be in if it does.
Exactly. That's I'm telling y'all right now. If this shit start breaking all these highs in the next 4 minutes, I'm not taking it.
Say, hey DJ, put a buy stop and a sell stop.
Hey, I used to do that. My interview, y'all know it. Buy stop, sell stop, one blows, one passes. That's when they had challenges back in the day. And I'll go ahead and activate it. That's probably why they banned me.
Why you wouldn't take it though?
We getting real close to news. Red folder news.
Mm-hmm.
It can shoot me one way or the other. I'd rather just wait on it, because even if it does go up, it'll probably like chill out for a little minute. We got news coming in 4 minutes. Like, I'm not trying to be in that during that time. Because if I say I'm in a bit of profit or say I'm a little bit negative, now do I cut it or do I hope that news is gonna take me there?
I don't think Jamal seen like a red folder there yet. No, I don't think.
Maybe he hasn't. Shit. Well, red folder news days it has the chance. That's when you see them big spikes, like 30, 40, 50 pips in like a second.
Okay.
Yes, sir. So rather than trying to jump the gun and me trying to get in and, with 1 or 2 minutes left until news, because like I said, it can get me in, be up 7, 8 pips, then come down and hang out for about 9 pips, and news can.
Gotcha.
I'd rather just wait and see how news want to print. We got right up to that resistance.
I saw somebody. I was looking at somebody's page on Threads, I think it was, and they said they analyzed the news, whether it's going to have a negative or a positive effect, and that's where they put their buy and sell stops.
Whatever. All right, analyze. Like I said, I use my one indicator, my EYES. That's what I use. Let's see if I can post this real quick. This might have been either right when Jamal was getting in the group or right after or right before. Let's see. Open. Bruh, so this is what red folder
530 को EUR डाउन आएगा। अभी आप लोग के सामने एनालिसिस और ट्रेड ऑफ हम लेते हैं।
Sad. Good and sad.
हमने डाउन का ट्रेड प्लेस कर लिया।
5,
3, 2, 1, boom.
Oh no. Bruh, if you in that cell, you just sad.
No, he did.
Boom.
Boom.
Yeah, man.
I don't got time. I personally don't got time for that. When I know we got a proven system, I'd rather just wait. Bro, what are we doing? New York session been on something lately, hasn't it? Which is nothing. Bro, look at London session. Like, this is what they got. And then we on ranges. Brightman say he tired of waiting. Go ahead and jump the gun. Brad ain't nothing like that hurt being at Antonio, no. 1800, 1900. Just chipping away.
Yeah.
But it's gonna make you better for it though. Definitely gonna make you better for it though. That boy said, oh no.
the resistance.
No.
Man. It's taking that resistance every time.
Same resistance. All these rejections. I do same resistance.
It's all good though. 9:45 gonna get us up out of there.
Yes, sir. Let's see how we look.
Maybe not. Let's see. Maybe not.
I'm over here getting all my buy stops ready, making sure I'm good. And I think it's gonna do something. If it breaks like I'm on a 5 minute, if it starts breaking like that high again, I think it's gonna start pushing, like breaking this high and then breaking that high. It just depends on if it want to keep pushing, want to get all the way up here, because we 60 pips from that. That's why I'm like, damn, part of me want to just be like, trust that volume and take it on up through here, take advantage of this 20. But nah, because the same thing that happened right there, where that thing fell out, the same thing that happened right there, fell out. I don't got no, sir. I stick to what works. And you stand up and stretch because the move might come. Or not. It's okay, because I know I got you till 10:30. Minimum. So all we looking for is a closure below. What I really would like is, transparently speaking, a closure slightly above this. Get in, take advantage of this wick fill, and hold for a little bit beyond the TP. That's what would be best. Like, because that's just simply getting on a break at a high when this shit's 80, 90 pips away is just an impulse entry. But if we got a 15-minute candle, which is a 1 hour, which is a 30-minute to close above here, that'd be smooth. Or we can go ahead and start coming down once we break to the downside, because that'd be the 4-hour candle now closing bearish, creating a new resistance right here. So it's a lot of potential things that can happen, but as of right now, we are simply sitting in the range.
I think I like sales better. I think.
It's just time to get out these ranges, bro.
Maybe.
Or out these ranges and out these highs, most importantly. Let me play that luxury. It's simple. Like, I didn't even really have these zones marked up for nothing. Like, bro, this shit really supposed to come all the way down into this support right here, this resistance.
Yep.
There's nothing in the way.
It's creating another support right now.
Let's see if I can find any support on any time. Bruh, no, nothing. Like, literally nothing. We supposed to come all the way down into this area. So we can do that. That's smooth. Why? Roger be funny because he be giggling in the office. He be texting me, he be like, bro, y'all had me dying. But it's okay. Like I said, I know I got you for at least another, what, 45 minutes to an hour?
Yes, sir. We're about to do something right now.
Yeah. I'm about to be here till 10:45 with me.
I don't know. I don't know about that.
You said you are gonna be here till 10:45.
Man, hey, no.
I guess we're just gonna be waiting till Wednesday. Yes, we're gonna be waiting, bruh. And what's so crazy is, like I say, I'll be looking and I'll just be like, let me just keep my eye on the market after I get off. Cause I don't be like I said, when I exhaust my 2 hours here, I go eat, I come back, start looking at real estate stuff, and I might peek at the charts. What I'm not finna do is just be staring at this shit till noon, looking at the bruh. And it's so funny because before I got in that position yesterday, bruh, it was so funny because price was hardly moving. Like, it was like inching real bad. Let's see where it was. It was this. Like, it just inching. And Roger ass was texting me. And I was like, bruh, stop making me look at this shit. Mate, it's crazy. But anyway, and then I got in. And then a 5-minute candle closed with no top wick. I said, you gotta be fucking kidding me. So it came down, made a little small wick, and then it flew up. And I got what I needed. But man, that's so funny. That was at 11:20. I'm telling you, it was late. Whew. Can it hold off? Are we gonna start making our way down? 5-minute candle just closed below. My old scalping self would have been in this.
Getting our way. We about to start making our way down. Watch this.
We need to sit right. What's in my Roger voice? It needs to sit right here. It's about to keep pushing.
Yeah, for sure.
Definitely about to keep. Yes, sir. I already knew, but that's fine, bro. There's so much range on the way down. I don't care about none of this. We just broke that. Like I said, my old scalping self, I'd have got in, no stop loss, just saying, it is what it is, YOLO, 40 pips. But now, I'm just waiting on 10. I'm just waiting on 10. Because what I have a feeling is, the next candle going to close green, then the next candle going to close bearish, get a top wick, ride it down. We got all this range, so I don't care, bro. This shit can keep going if it wants to. We have all this range to fill. I literally just put this here just because. But in reality, there should be nothing stopping us from falling. So down here, we have a clean candle to fill, completely clean. We're at all-time highs. There's nothing in the way. So if they can just hold up right there, that would be a blessing. 5-minute candle close below. This is a small retest. Broke its low. It's continuing to break its low. I ain't worried about none of it. Took it on the other account plus 700 on the day. Hey. Okay. Average view duration for my viewers on YouTube, 26 minutes, 40 seconds. Oh, y'all here for the long haul. Y'all ain't just peeking in. For sure. 245 subscribers. Hopefully we can get a 250 by the end of the week. That'd be dope. If y'all are watching on YouTube, go ahead and drop a subscription. This would be perfect, Tonio. Oh my God, like right here.
Yeah, it would be.
I taste it, like right there. Below this low too. Next candle wick up. You can either use this low or you can take advantage of the wick fill. Bruh. It's so funny because I always be saying the technical stop is all the way up here. That's until it break that high. If it closes below, it can come all the way up with you in it. That's the only part that's ass. Definitely gonna see. I'm ready. I'm itching.
Man, hey.
I'm itching. Why is my account not unfrozen? My boy told me, he said, I need to exercise some patience till it is approved. It will be approved today. I ain't talking about none of that. I want it unpaused right now so I can trade it and make this little quick 250 to 300 consistently like I'm used to. That's what I want to do. Are we gonna get the closure below though? We got 6 minutes, 21 seconds. I'm telling you what I think is gonna happen. I think this candle's gonna close. I think either this candle's gonna close green or the next candle's gonna close green. And if we end up back in the range,
yeah, that's gonna make me sad.
Voice,
that's gonna make me sad, bro. I was just about to say that before you even said
bro,
it, bro.
I'm seeing it, and I'm seeing this candle with no top wick. What do I teach y'all? Candles make top and bottom wicks. So we'll see if he just respect this support, and the next candle is likely gonna break this high, likely, and then hopefully it can flip back down and close like somewhere like right in here. Bro, if I predict this to the T, I'm gonna have to chop this up and put it on Instagram for sure. But what I think is gonna happen is, I'm telling you right now, I think one of these two candles is gonna close green, or it's gonna make us wonder if it's gonna close back in that range. It's respecting though. Right now, it's respecting this. It's respecting it. So that's why I be talking about when I wanted to close below, come back up, retest this broken support to come on down. Well, we got 20 seconds until this candle closes. 5-minute candle closes, that is. Let's see. Exit. Yeah, Brandon, what? He said I need to exercise some patience. I've been exercising some patience since I made the withdrawal request yesterday at 2 p.m. That's how long I've been exercising damn patience. All right, this is good. This is good. This is good. We just can't have it break this high and close. We need to do exactly what it's doing right now and just keep filling the range down. 1 hour closing below, 30-minute closing below, 15 possibly closing below. I can go all the way to the 5-minute and use that low as my entry, wherever that may fall. Once again, about to stand up, stretch it on out, stretch it on out. It is push up. There we go, there we go. It's respecting, it's respecting. Oh, fuck. Subscribe to the channel, like and subscribe to the channel. We might catch something here soon. No guarantees. All we're looking for is now the 4 hour has created a resistance. The 1 hour is now. All right. All right. Tell me how long you got? If you hear, brother. If you hear. You might have left. Waiting on this 10 a.m. closure. That's about to piss me off.
GG's in the chat.
Oh, I asked you a question, brother. I said, how much longer you got?
Oh, my bad. I was doing Bible study. Had to go talk to wifey. Yeah, you know how long I got, James.
Nah, no, I know, but for the chat,
G's in the chat, baby.
I know, but the chat want to know. We got
viewers
on YouTube that want to know how long Antonio got. So
y'all got me till the next 15-minute closure.
You know that man ministry.
What did I say? I said, bruh, all we don't need is this to just keep breaking this on high. Because it gave that little quick push down. But what do we know?
Now we need it to hold up. Yeah. But it's not. We're going to the moon. To the moon now.
Hey, if it grabbed all this liquidity, it might. Bro, this is 1 minute. Why can't this happen when we in the trade? 1 minute.
I'm saying, to be honest, somebody caught that move right there.
For sure. All you did was enter on a break at this high, anticipating that after it got exhausted down, it's gonna go up. 4 to 15, you expecting it to reject out of this support. Bro.
So maybe that was the news candle right there.
Maybe.
It just wasn't as fast. It just wasn't as fast.
Bro, look at this 1 hour closure. Oh my God.
Well,
what? Say it. Say what you gotta say. Say what you gotta say, man. The people want to know. You holding back.
Let me just focus for 15 minutes because I already know where this is going.
What's so special about that 15 minutes?
We about to have to wait on another closure, so I'm about to just keep reading.
Facts. It ain't nothing but happen unless they just want to shoot up. Let's see, at this point, bro, 90 pips from now. Good gracious. 1 minute. 30 minutes, about to close bearish. 1 hour about to
we
close
got
bearish.
back in that range so fast. That's crazy to me.
Man, I just knew. But I said it though. I said, if we get a green candle, it's over with. And when it kept breaking this on high, I said, oh, okay. That's actually not a bad, I'm about to say it's not a bad buy position, but you can only trust in the 5 minute at that point because the 15 closing bearish, the 30 closing bearish, the 1 hour closing bearish, and the 4 hour closing bearish. So at that point, you just anticipating trying to call like basically the top wick.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking
and
too.
then that resistance is right there. YouTube, I promise you, I wish to do something. But just ain't nothing going right now. 6 seconds, 5 seconds. Let's see how the 1 hour about to close.
Bro, I
This
just
is crazy.
knew
Wow.
we were about to have a sale breakout at 10.
Easy. Sorry, pushing down. Sell stop right there.
Yeah,
It might be 10-15 though. It's the same support still.
Let's see.
I mean, I know we here for a little. We still got a little minute. One hour is filling the range.
Yeah, I think we'll be good.
For sure. Whether that's 10, 15, 10:30, or 10:45, I mean, we're gonna be straight regardless. Right?
You want me to say something about 10:45?
It is you, bro. Fuck it, I'm gonna say it. Just log out, bro. GG's. So the rest of us can eat. Oh my goodness, that's funny. He said you wanted me to say something. I'm asking questions I know the answer to, huh? That sounds crazy, don't it?
Yeah, I'm with you. I'm with you till 10:30.
All right. He said I'm gonna stretch you. I was stretching a little 15 minutes. And there's no guarantee that I'm gonna even take that. Chat, I'm sorry, bro. This is after stream yesterday on the break of the daily highs. Brandon was talking about it all damn stream. I don't know if he caught it or if he locked out, but we ain't had to take nothing on stream yesterday. We had 5 or 4 good days
in
on
that area though, low
week.
key.
What'd you say?
I said you green in that area low key on the performance chart.
Yeah, man. Yeah.
Like on your trade time performance chart.
Where's that? Oh yeah.
Yeah, you low key green in that area.
The data shows that as we start pushing further into the morning, like 10:34.
Yeah, 10:34.
Hey, even 10 in general is just a little nasty. 10:01, 10:11.
As you get outside of that, you go back green low key.
Yeah. Like when I start like letting the 10 BS happen, then I get to like 10:30.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. That's a good point. It's like 10 is my Achilles heel. 10, 15, 10, 20. But like as I start getting like 11,
The
15,
11 is green.
Yeah, way more.
Like way more.
Way more. Interesting. I guess I also don't have as much data though. But for when I do, it works out. I got some small losses.
I mean, that's like 100% low key.
Basic. Yeah, exactly. Like you got some that are later. Bro, you right. Damn, that's kind of crazy. It's like literally like a 5 or 6 losses after 11.
Bro, it's a small gap right there where you literally 100%, bro.
Yeah. Right there.
Yes.
Damn. Sheesh. Hey man, don't call it a comeback now. So, like I said, the 4-hour closed bearish, the 1-hour closed bearish, the 30-minute closed bearish, and the 15-minute closed bearish. This wasn't nothing but 11 pip, 10 pip top wick. But what do we know? We know that candles. What the hell? Why is this 1 minute here? I don't want this 1 minute here. Oh. Okay. Anyway, we know that wicks are meant to be filled. So this is potentially what's happening right now. If this can hold up right here in my Roger voice, that'd be great. But what's gonna happen is that shit probably gonna get going before that 15-minute closure. I ain't gonna lie to you. Unless it can hold up. Roger, literally right there. YouTube, what y'all liking? What y'all liking right now, man? There we go. That 1 minute damn candle off my chart. I don't need the 1 minute on my chart. Literally right there. If it can close literally right there, wick up. Give me a nice 25 to 30 pip retest. I'll take 15 to 20 pip retest. But now it's about to break this 5-minute low right here. Bro, if I was anti for a trade and this is on my brand and shit, you about to get a 5-minute closure below the range. Oh, no wick. But I like it to clear all this. Just got to be patient. It can break all these lows and I won't give a damn. I'm just waiting on 10-15. This is kind of crazy how this wick has gotten filled on this in this last 5 minutes. Bro, that's wild. What? I just don't be feeling like it's moving like this while we in. Maybe it's because I'm watching it like a hawk like this. But when we in, boy, it's pulling teeth to get to 20. Can't believe he told me I gotta exercise some patience. I just can't even trade on this account, man. I just knew if I ain't hit my trade yet that it would approve and then activate me by then, but nope. Still waiting. Still frozen. And part of me want to wait till the end of the week to make every withdrawal request, but I'll be like, man, if they gonna give you 24-hour payouts, take advantage of it. Why not? Please don't do this to us. All right, you broke the low. Now move on back up because people probably got in on themselves right there. Go ahead and get people scary, which is pulling back and making a top wick for the 15. Got 8 minutes and 2 seconds. And my Roger voice, literally right there. I'll take right here. Right here would be fine. Come up, retest. That's a far away. I actually wanted to pull up a little bit more. But retest like up in here. 10:07. Might go take my walk. I'll be back. 7 minutes, gang. 7 minutes. Hey, Tonio, if this closes back above, you trying to take the buy? Or you calling it a day?
Maybe.
Closure above, weight down, re-break it on high, take it on up into here. We'll see. We'll see how these 5-minute candles start printing. This has no top wick.
Yeah, that's not terrible either.
That's not bad. Because what did it do all these times? 1, 2, 3 times up. Oh, that's another idea. I want the sales though. My Drewski meme, I want the sales. I really do. But like I said, I'll be back. Hopefully it can sit right there. like it's listening a little bit now. Perfect retest. Perfect retest. My 10-15 brother. Will we get a top wick? That's the question. Enter on the break of the 5-minute low, wherever that may be, anticipating that not only is the wick going to fill down here, but it's probably gonna keep going after that. But if I can get an entry right there, and all I need is 30, then that's the wick fill. Let's see. But we'll see. Mm. 1 minute 30 seconds. Okay, it respected it again. So 10-15 candle is about to close below all the 15-minute supports. Hopefully. Let's see. See what this top wick is talking about. Make sure my trade copier is off. Oh. 10 seconds. Looking like we're gonna get a closure. But we'll see where. I need a top wick. Need a top wick for the entry. 3809, 3808.5. Not enough yet. That's definitely not enough yet. That's 11 pip top wick. I slick want it to break its own high again. 3808.5. But it should come on down, and you could use the previous 5-minute high as an entry if you really wanted to get in, anticipating that once it breaks that low, it shouldn't flip back up. But I know that usually candles make bigger top wicks than this, even though it didn't right there. I just want a bit more of a retest since we closed further away from support than I would have liked. Like if they can break its own high again, that would be better. Like I said, it's not a bad move right now. It'd just be better if it can come on up a little more. Come on now. Tonya, what you thinking? Right now it's 18 pips. Stop using that high. Tonya went ghost on me.
Oh, you didn't hear what I said? I said I'm definitely liking the sale, but I need more of a top wick for me.
Like I said,
it might
it's not
just
bad.
Go, though.
Yeah, it can go. It definitely can go. But I want more of a top wick than this. That's all. And you can even use, you could use this low. Like I said, it's not bad, but I just wanted more of a top wick than a few pips. Like this is
like a 9-pick top wick, 10.
Yeah. And you definitely can use this low as an entry. You're gonna be a little late to the party. But if you wanted to, you could use that low, anticipating that volume is gonna keep pushing you down. But bruh, with closing so far, not so far, but with closing a little farther from the range, you want at least a little bit of a retest. That's 8 pips. Let's see. Oh. Let's see. That's so ass. It's all good though. I don't mind it. I'm still interested in sales because I still think it has so much room to go. I'm just trying to find a best entry. So from there, are you still pushing?
Yeah.
Even if I got it, I mean, not got it. Even if I'm looking at using like a 5-minute entry, I may even drop down with all the volume we have. That's so ass. 45 in 2 minutes. Wakefield, perfect 30. All right, let's see. Because depending on how this next 5-minute candle opens, I might even take an entry off of the 5-minute with the top wick, anticipating that when it flips down, that it's gonna continue as well. Brandon gonna say, just yeah, Roger. I like the sound. There you go, there you go, there you go. I'm still open to the sales. I'm definitely still open to the sales. I just want to see it pull back a little more to keep making range down. Like, we got plenty of range to continue down. I'm not worried about that. I just want to see how I can catch the best entry without it just continue to just smash through its own lows. How much you make, Roger? Damn, I wanted a better top wick than that, bro. Up. About 2 for 27. There you go. Like I said, I'm still peeking. Like I said, I still think these 5-minute candles, bro, we have nothing in the way.
Yeah,
We should be plenty. We got plenty of room to go. It's just depending on if it's gonna go now at 10:30 or it's gonna keep on making 5-minute lows. Like I said, depending on how the 5-minute candles open and make a top wick, I might use my 5-minute as my entry. Let's see. But I need a top wick though. Like I always say, I mean, it don't matter what time frame you enter on. You need a top wick.
Mm-hmm. I don't want to get in too low at the bottom after that made its move all the way down here. I'll wait on 10:30 before I do that. At that point, you get in right there, anticipating that it ain't gonna break that high again. It would have been activated. But nah, 10:30 is still a play for me. In play for me, sorry. 10:30 still. Especially if this can come pull on back a little bit. Break your high. Come on up here. Come on down. That's what I want to see. Just got back from me and took a chance to see if y'all were still here. Yeah, we still here. There was a sell opportunity, 10:15 closure below. There was this little wick up. And it wasn't a bad entry by any means. And I did call it out. Yeah, 9 pip top wick entry on the break of like the previous 5-minute low after it rejected out of this support. Now this is still falling. We'll see. But it's just still so much of this damn range now. There goes the volume from news. Nah, like I said, I'm still selling on it though. I'm still there.
Oh, and then the 4-hour low broke too. That's wild. Well, hopefully it don't keep on running down in this next 6-7 minutes. Said I'll still take it. I still will take it. We just so far from damn support now. But the way volume is moving, as I pull up this 1 minute candle, the way volume is moving, go ahead and hit one of these while I'm in.
Yeah, we could have got in at the 4-hour low, but
I was just looking at that. Just looking at that. Because if the entry was right here, let me see where the stop could have been. What entry can the re-break of this? Just have a sell stop under there, anticipating that volume would take you on down. Because hell, since it's broken that, it gave 27 real quick, pull back up 24, and then pull down for 70. But it's still straight though. Because I mean, even if like say 1030 closed exactly like this and gave a top wick up to anywhere, you can get it on the break of that low. You still got 60, even 38 to this wick right here. It's just nicer to be a part of it up here, but we'll see. You will definitely see. But I need to chill. Like we've been joking, but I need to chill out. Let me see. I got 6 minutes. I might go downstairs. I'll be right back. Don't leave.
You think I'm crazy?
I'm back. 30 minutes. Closing below. 1 hour. Has broken all those. 15 minutes. Closing below. 5-minute candle starting to print up. But putting your trust in the higher time frames. So we'll see what happens in 45 seconds. Same thing. I want to top wick. So I can use the current candle high as my high or as my stop loss. So see if I get it. Either looking to enter on the re-break of the current candle low or the break of the 5-minute low, but that's pretty far down there at this point. It's 45 pips away. So let's see. Tony, are you still on, brother? Are you watching?
No, I'm still on.
Let's see. Let's see how we print up. We still got range to come down. Let's see. 3803 will be the break of the current candle low. But I still need more than that. I wanted to touch like these wicks. That's 25. Well, one more break of the high, and I'll take that. I'll probably lessen my size a little bit. All right, I'll put a sell stop on a break of that low. Because if it comes up here after retesting that, it shouldn't come back down. Let's see. So I would just use the current high, honestly, since if it breaks that low, we got no reason to break that high again, anticipating that this wick right here is going to be filled. Right there, you did have a 5-minute candle close bullish, but I mean, in the grand scheme, it's just a 5-minute. You're looking at the 30-minute, the 15-minute, the 1 hour. Everything is currently just bearish, pushing down real hard. So we'll see. If it starts moving against me, I'll just manage and mitigate risk. But it just kind of tapped back into these wicks right here as my quote-unquote retest. So I'll kind of hang out on the 30 minutes since that's the time frame I'm entering off of. Let's see. I want to get in on this 5-minute candle if possible. It's not a bad thing if I don't get in on this 5-minute. But if these 5 minutes just keep making their way up, it's probably going to start just keep pushing up and up and up and up. Well, we're certainly making a top wick. So even if it doesn't get me in on this 5-minute candle, I will move my stop loss to whatever the new high of the next 5-minute candle is. 30-minute candle that closed back below support. Same way the 15-minute candle closed below support. So hopefully it keeps respecting these highs and continuing to fall down. What do we have? Once again, I want to say the wick fill is already 40 pips, so I can get 30 of that. I'll be happy.
Mm-hmm.
If we just keep breaking these highs, breaking its own high, 5-minute candles breaking its own high, might just keep pushing up. And I definitely can't do nothing past about 10:45, maybe 11. 11 is kind of nasty. But I do like this stuff. You got a 5-minute candle closing in 20 seconds. All right. I like that it's coming down now. But is it just making a top bottom wick to continue up? Or is it just gonna go ahead and fall out like it's supposed to? Bottom wick to continue up, or just keep pushing? Bottom wick to continue up.
I was about to say that wouldn't be bad either.
On this candle right now, or like on another closure?
On another closure.
Right, like this 15-minute support just been created on a bullish day to continue up. I agree. We'll see, but that means 11. No, 10:45. Sorry, 10:45, which I'm okay with. Price action is price action as long as the volume is there and as long as you ain't dead zombie over here. I'm still cool, honestly, because we ain't done nothing. Like I said, my little move I was waiting on was a break of this 5-minute low. And like in hindsight, like once again, it's always easy to say in hindsight, you could have used this high and it's still, I mean, it would have been 18 pips. Like that's not a terrible risk, but it's just like, if I know the price closed this far from support, I still want more than this. That's the only thing. We'll see. Because if this holds just like this for the next 8 minutes, I'll take the break of this high on up into here.
Yeah, that's what I was looking at too.
15 minutes, new support created. Get a wick down because we still want wicks, and then break of that high, anticipating it to come back into support. Like, yeah, the 1 hour is breaking lows and stuff, but bro, we bullish today. So I'm open to both ideas. Price just can't keep running off though. Let's see. $30 pips away from that entry point. Still flipping. I mean, like I always say, at the end of the day, this could just be a top. This could just be a top wick to come down. All right, let me get focused. Got 1 minute until this 5-minute candle closes. Ain't got no real stop loss, but this 47 pips right here. And then this new 1 minute or this new 5 minute candle about to open. Let's see. I slick don't want it to get me in on this 5 if I had a choice. I want the next 5 to open and then that one get me in because I can use whatever that high is as the stop loss. But now that we have a new support on the 5 minute, that's good. 14 seconds. Oh my goodness. That was the last second.
Yeah, it's moving.
I got that close and then pull back 30 pips. Hey, I like both ideas still though.
Me too.
I like both ideas still. 15-minute new support, wick down, break of this high, or weak bullish, break of this low. I like both ideas. So a trade is coming. It's later in the day, I will admit, but one idea or another is definitely coming. Appreciate y'all that have stuck it out because this is way longer than what we used to, but now I'm moving that 5, I'm moving that resistance or that stop loss even down even more. And if I got a pivot, I definitely will. Let me make sure ain't no more news or nothing that I get caught in. 10 a.m. There was 10 a.m. orange folder news. Trump speed. All good. And when we break this low, I anticipate that it's going to go ahead and break that low. Still liking it with this 2 minutes left.
Oh,
it's a 30-minute flipping ultimately.
To be honest, if it don't get me in that 2 minutes, we'll see.
Man. I slick. I mean, I want it to fly down, but what I don't want to do is sit in whatever pullback it makes on the next candle. That's the only thing, because it is a 15-minute closing. So I did move it up a little bit to the flip because I'm anticipating that when it breaks this low, it's going to make a quick jolt down, which would be the 15-minute flipping. It's not the technical break of the low anymore, but it is the flip of that candle right there. Flip of the 15, flip of the 30. It's 3803.3. So we'll see. Like I said, so when it breaks this low, it should go ahead and spike down because that's the 30-minute that's about to re-break its own low after making this top wick up. We got 1 minute and 36 seconds, 35 seconds. So we'll see. But if they keep respecting this, and if a 15-minute close is weak bearish, that's still a good entry though. That's the thing on the break of that low. So I'm still with the idea overall, because I think the wick is just about to be filled regardless. After rejecting out of these wicks right here. And if I wait on 10:45, then I might move my sell stop to under this wick actually. Like right now I have it right there, but I'll probably move it down to there. So 45 seconds. Because under there is not much, just 3 pip different. I do like how we created a new resistance right here to continue down. Maybe. Well, Tonio.
Yeah, I gotta stick to my rules.
Man, because now it's just closing like indecisive a little bit. So 8 seconds. If it closes back above this, like pretty strong bullish, it should be good still to go up. If it closes bearish, let's see. That's in no man's land a little bit. It's still not bad.
It's not bad.
It's not bad. It's still not bad because that's a 30-minute still breaking its own low. Use this high, 30 pips, still looking to target this wick fill down here. It's not, yeah, it's still not. I'm still just have it where it's at. Anticipating that even with no top wick, I'm anticipating that as a 30-minute low re-breaks its own low, I think that it's gonna come on down.
Yeah, I like that too.
Yeah, it's still good because we respected these wicks too right there after grabbing liquidity up here.
38.03 and 38.08. If he get back up there and break that high again.
Yeah, I got a sell stop at 38.03 still. I'm still just chilling. I'm anticipating that if it breaks that low, which is a 30-minute break in its own low, that we should be good to come on down. But what I can't have is, like you said, if it start breaking up here, that's GG's. Yeah. But we still making, I mean, we just created a resistance, making lower lows. So hopefully when it gets it and, you know, gets you activated, you should be good.
Yeah, it should. Once it get activated, it should definitely feel that 30-minute previous candle wick for sure.
Damn, I just don't like the lack of volume. That's the only thing that's scaring me a little bit. Like, it moves a little bit, but then like don't got no follow through. But maybe it's just in the fact of it ain't did what it needed to do to have that volume kicking.
If I obviously hindsight is 2020, but if I would have known that it was breaking that 4-hour low, I probably would have got in on that.
I'm telling you,
on that 10 pip top.
Yep, 10-15 candle. All right, it looking like it's about to. Like I said, it is late, y'all, and this is later than I usually trade. But this is a 1 hour or 30-minute candle coming back down to re-break its own low after making a high. Candle respected right here. This candle has no top wick, but I'm relying on the higher time frames, which is the 30-minute, that when this candle flips down, it should go ahead and be ready to fill this wick. Like it spent the first 15 minutes of that 30-minute candle making the top wick, so that when it does come down, it should come on down into profits. It's later in the session, so be careful as far as like how long you trying to hold and all that stuff, because it ain't our typical time of trading. Let's see, 38.03.4. If it respects this and flips back up, bro. What'd you say?
No, I was just saying that shit was moving.
Yeah, it's moving. It's definitely moving. But if it comes back up and re-breaks its own high, at that point, it could be saying that it's going up. We're gonna see. That's 3 straight 5-minute candles that have been boom, 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 just coming down. Then you start to get to like 11. Go low risk due to time of time. Nah, it's okay. I mean, I like the trade. I'm gonna manage it how I always manage it. It's only a 30 pip stop as well. I just want 30. It's just a wick fill. Even to this 5-minute support, like that's still 27, 26. You got volume. You just kind of got to be on the front end of it. Like this 5-minute candle moved down 37 pips right there. This 5-minute candle moved 31 pips right there. But
see, this is the thing right here.
I wonder if it's too far away from entry if you get in a buy up there. Because that's not a bad move either. 30-minute re-breaking its own high. 15-minute breaking its high after making a bottom wick. Which move do you like better between the two? If you were to take a trade. Either one.
Yeah, they both don't look bad.
5-minute candle just open. So you can now use this as your new. So I will have that buy stop. So I'm going to delete that. And I'm going to have a buy stop up here. Ooh, if I can get it. I'm going to go a little bit lower than I usually do. Let's see, that 3808. 3808 using the 5-minute low. It's a hella small stop. 20 pips. I'm only using a 3 and a 2. I'm going lower. I am actually going lower risk than I usually would. And this is a buy anticipating that after this has came down to perfectly retest this support right here. Respected it. It's a change of analysis a little bit, but after we break this high, we should be good to going up and fill this range here. We'll see if it actually get it in or if it start playing around up here. Yeah, this is definitely lower risk than what I'm used to on these accounts, these size accounts. Yeah, you got to, because not a plus, more like a minus, right? Like the 15-minute came down, retested. Now, if it breaks this high, which is the re-break of the 30-minute high, you anticipate that it can come up and retest like up into here.
Yeah. Let's see though. I'm interested to see what's about to happen now.
Yeah, and I only got this 5-minute low, so I only have. I'm not sitting in drawdown, so I only have a 20 pip stop, 21 pip stop. So, but it's definitely. I mean, the move is there. Why is it playing around though?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Now it's playing around, like.
But that usually means a ooh,
But
see, that usually means though, if it does go ahead and break that high, that it's gonna go because it ain't broke yet. I feel so ass here till 11, bro. Prices. This is crazy, bro. Damn.
Making a bottom week on the 5 now.
Making a bottom week on the 5 because it had no bottom week.
This is so funny to me.
Now, bruh.
Because now, watch what it's about to do.
If it break that 30, it's still going down.
It's about to. It's crazy, bro.
I don't know what to do.
Let's see.
Should I have a sell stop and a buy stop? Bruh, both move. Whichever move happens is gonna happen.
Yeah, I mean, I wouldn't be against that either. But hey, what do I know?
What do I know?
Brandon said he said both.
No cap, because if it break this high again, it has clean range to come up into
clean
here
range to come 15
up. Minute. But if it breaks a 30 low, it just made a top wick to come down and fill this wick. Man, listen. I'm here till 11 feeling nasty. And I do not want to be forcing nothing, but these are not forced trades though.
Yeah, they both look good.
All right. And I actually like it more that the bottom wick got created on the 5. If the buy were to happen. Still 30 pips. And then it comes to, do you get it on the last? couple minutes of the 1 hour, or do you just wait on 11? Man, 40 seconds. If that support holds, we going up. It just depends on how much you want to go up with 11 minutes, or sorry, I said 11 minutes, with 5 minutes left. And it's going to be 11. Because at the end of the day, once this 1 hour candle closes, it's still going to be bearish as hell. 30-minute gonna close. 15-minute can be the top wick to come down. 15 minutes still open. 5-minute about to close. 1 second. So let's see.
Yeah, I don't know. Both look good though.
Yep. And this is late as hell.
What? 15. Yeah, bro.
5-minute rated as support. You can either keep your stop
Order
down
filled.
here.
Stop
down
filled.
There. All right. So I just got in. It broke that 15-minute high. I'm gonna pull this up here. Pull this down here. You either need to get out on the break of that low, or let's see, 38.06. Like, to really let it breathe, you need to like really pull it like down more, like down here. Ooh, ooh.
Order filled.
Stop filled.
Ooh.
That shit
See?
is moving.
Yeah, but what's crazy is it's probably still gonna break this high right here though. Once it makes the bottom wick to continue up. I only lost 17. I ain't tripping about that. But let's see. I ain't gonna force nothing. I'm definitely not gonna force nothing. But I'm still interested depending on how the closure happens. Definitely still interested depending on how the closure happens. So let's see. I'm gonna mark that up because the 15 broke that high. Let's see, 38, 4, 3. So let's see, dashboard. Don't.
That was 15.
Yeah, like I said, I
and a
went
30
hella.
minute high breaking.
What'd you say?
Said that was
Oh,
the
it's go-
15
it's gonna
and
break.
the 30-minute high breaking.
It's gonna break again. I might try my hand again, but if it closes like doji, nah. But if it closes like this, he probably, as a means of giving it just a second chance. But if it closed hella doji, I only lost 340 and 480 on it. Like, that ain't a lot. When I win 1,200, 900. So let me see. So let's see. 15-minute break of high after support was created. 15-minute break of high after support was created. Kept stops below 5-minute entry. That's all really you can do. Targeted support that was broken earlier. Yep. And then playbook, that was just simply like a fake out, I guess you would say. Like kind of going down and coming back up. But all good. So let's see. 1 hour is about to close. 30 minutes about to close. Man. Let's see how this closes. I'll see what's going. I want to give it a second chance, or if I just want to call it. Because if these two 15-minute candles close bullish, it's like, all right, bro. I seen like maybe 2 or 4. 30 seconds. So I'm deleting both. Yeah.
Hot. Sorry. That boy Future is hot.
What happened?
Nah, he just about to drop an album.
Can't wait. It's just where that wick is. No bottom wick. Probably about to come right back up into here. Something. 2 15-minute candles that have now closed bullish. So support has been created. Tony, I want to do it again.
I don't want to do it
It's
again.
not bad, bro. Because you break in 30-minute highs again, but then that 1 hour is just bearish. That's the only thing. I could call that a small loss. Just call it a day. Or just get my get back, which is the 30-minute after creating a support, breaking this high. Go on up into here, using whatever this low is. That's not bad. All right, if it get back up there, I may set a buy stop again, just to see, just to dip my toe.
He's my dip my toe.
But if it keep coming down, then GG's.
Now, let me see something.
What'd you say?
No, I'm just looking at something.
Only a 30 pip stop. Anticipating if it fills up to here. So come on up into here. $38.08.5. Attempt 2 may come. Attempt 2 may come. Maybe. 38.08.5 will be the entry. Using whatever this entry candle low is.
I got that.
Which is only 32 pips. That's not bad. After we done had this candle pull back, this candle close bullish, this candle close bullish. The 1 hour is the only thing that's scary right now.
Yeah.
That's the only thing. But the 30-minute look good and the 15-minute look good. Or, and this is my last or you get a closure below on a 15-minute time frame, just under here. To take it on down on a after these candles are printing hella bearish. But I'm just chilling for now though. Thing got a little bit of profit, boy, and then pull back.
All right, I gotta get up out of here.
About to slide.
Yeah, I gotta go be somewhere by 12 and I'm 30 minutes away.
Gotcha. Probably about to set this little buy stop just to see if it get me in. It get me in. I got about 10 more minutes, and I'm sliding too.
Say less, brother.
All right, bro. Be safe.
All right. Peace out.
Yep. Be easy. I keep setting the same buy stop. But it just keep breaking this high, coming on down. Breaking this high, coming on down. Let's see.
Perfect.
Oh, 5-minute candle about to close right there. So use whatever that low, the current low is. That's your stop. Brandon, you still active in the set? He said, I got frustrated, so I jumped the gun and got cut. No cap. Yeah, no cap. So the idea, as y'all know, is usually right. Just didn't catch the best entry. So this is now making another support. Seeing if these 15-minute candles can keep pumping it up. So let's see. I just have my stop below the current 5-minute low, because as I always say, if they don't want to make that move on that candle, I don't even want to be in it. I'm not trying to sit in all this. I took a minus 17, I think it was, minus 16 on that first trade. So we'll see what can happen on this second one if it does get me in. But if it just keeps coming up and rejecting to come back down, I'm going to just call it a day and say the volume wasn't there. What a small 16 pip loss is a deal. Yeah, sir. Price got about 9 minutes for me. Unless it closes under here, then I may try that. But if it closes in this, I'm done. I'm calling it where I stand. Be back tomorrow. I do still like the idea to go up. It's just making bottom wicks continue up, bottom wicks continue up, bottom wicks continue up.
I think I'm about to take my ball and go home.
You say what?
I think I'm about to take my ball and go home.
Man, this move is so slow.
Yeah,
but it's making bottom wicks to continue. Like I said, I took a small minus 16 on the first one, but I mean, I ain't scared to get it back. It's just I'm not trying to sit in low volume times.
Right.
That's the only thing.
Yeah, I broke even on the day.
Okay, yeah, that ain't bad. I lost minus 490 on the 150K, so I'm down to 140, 154, 317. If I can keep my losses that small, that's pretty good.
Oh yeah. Because you're winning.
You making 1,200. But like I said, this volume they just printed side by side. The move was ultimately this one. I just didn't get an entry just because I wanted a little bit more of a top wick, but it's all good though. Like I said, if that's where price wants to call it for the day.
Yeah, I like a buy at about 30.
Yeah, I do too, especially since 15 minutes are just pushing up and up and up. 30-minute candles are pushing up and up and up. We done fell very hard from up here. So if it can correct just a little bit of this move, that'd be all we need.
Okay.
That's all I'm looking at. It's just a little bit of a mini correction on a bullish day. But if it keep printing like this, and range, I'm probably just going. Oh, like I said, I got 6 minutes, 9 seconds.
I gave it your 4 hours a day.
Hey man, 3 or 2 and some change. I was here at 8:28 by 11:15. That's plenty of time for me. especially just calling it at a small loss. I'll take a small loss.
Okay.
But it might push up though. Let's see. It's coming up. Well, it looks like it's coming up.
Right.
It's like when you got this low volume like this, it's like, man, do you want to even get in at that with that?
Takes forever for it to make a move.
Let's see. Not bad though. The way it keep on breaking its own high. It's a 15-minute candle, gotta break its own high. Previous high. All right, might get me in. 3808.5. 5-minute candle, I would keep my stop loss under here if it gets me in. The new 5 minutes about to open in 1 minute or 1 second. Sorry.
I'm 5 pips above you.
You are. Yeah, I got it just on a re-break of the 15-minute right
Order
here.
filled.
Stop filled.
Okay, dragging it up, dragging this down. Like I said, ultimately, this 5-minute candle can come down and make a bottom wick, unfortunately. So that's the only downside about the trade, but it's a good trade though, because it's just simply the 15-minute breaking its high right there. Let's see how quickly it can move. I don't need too much, especially late into the session.
Right.
If it start really driving down, like really, really driving down, I'll probably just cut it. But if it keep re-breaking its own highs, that should be good to continue up. So we'll see. Need volume though. This can come down and make a bottom wick to flip up. Oh, gotta play my song. Let's see if the sunny day is on my side today. I have my stop loss below these supports over here, but I'm not gonna take this full $1,320 stops. So if it come down to minus about 15, 20, I'm gonna just call it a day and just say it wasn't my day and chalk it up to the next day. So that's 30, like 33, 34. Right now I'm just sitting minus 2 pips. Let's see, we're making a bottom wick. All right, hopefully making a top wick. Come on now. And then even if this 15-minute candle closes, this 15-minute candle can make a bottom wick to continue up. Ooh, let's see. It's pushing. And back to BE. Come on now. Keep breaking that high.
Feels too long, man.
I didn't lose too much earlier. That's why I'm saying I don't even need much. I'm at 440, 480, 560. Pushing. I'm at 15 pips right now. I'm not going break even just yet. 16 pips. If I can get to 20, I'll call it with a small win.
Push.
Pushing.
Order filled.
Pushing.
Order filled.
Cool. Yep. So there we go, y'all. There we go. Pushing. Small win on the day. I'll take that. Right into support. The idea was there the whole time. Like I said, it's just about catching it for real. I'm over that 155. So whoever took that first loss was what it was. Break even on the day. Oh no, Brightman didn't catch it. He probably took the loss earlier too. Well, that's my day, y'all. That's my day.
Hey.
Yeah, it was a good day. We knew what would happen. Did you get back in, Jamal?
I cleared 817.
Gotcha. Yeah, I cleared 800 on that one. Oh, you finished 800 on the day?
I tried to play a play earlier. I thought I felt something. Well, it did good. It just was holding too long, so I just broke even.
Gotcha. You got hit at break even.
Yeah, but the second play just now put me up at 816, 817.
Yeah. Gotcha.
They kind of G'd me though. I got out at 1,000, and I was saying P&L is 850.
Yeah,
so
they be doing it, don't they? They so
Way
nasty with it. They nasty with it. But I'm gonna go ahead and mark this up and call it a day.
24 away from a payout.
That's dope. That's dope. And you started those new accounts, didn't you?
Yep. Yeah, they're gonna be a while, but yeah.
Yeah, but as long as you get the first one, you trade in scotch free at that point. I need to drop my nuts and let these trades rock. They be going past my TPs, but like I said, it's like this. This is what I'm talking about when I say my mental capital gets exhausted. Instead of letting the trade do what it just did, I just was okay with coming out in a little bit of profit. You know, that's why I be talking about like my judgment is skewed at that point. Like I'm just trying to be done with it for the day.
I could dig that. I'm sitting here looking at it, like my eyes start getting heavy. I'm like, man, yeah.
Like that ain't how you.
It's not the way to be trading, right? Yeah.
No, it's not. It's really not.
That quick move and I'm out. Yeah.
Exactly. So that took a little bit longer today. I'm glad you came up 817. I came up 287 on these accounts and 169 on these accounts. Small profits, but I mean, it's profit. Right. So
exactly.
We'll be back on tomorrow. I'm gonna go ahead and call this a day just so we ain't looking at this shit. I got pictures on the east side anyway in about an hour or so.
For sure.
Yes, sir. All right, y'all be easy.